start with E and end with E and has one letter in it.
4 leg.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel right now. We're in a Spanish town with episode 24. After the question, you don't know, say people are requested, so we have to revisit it. Yeah, that rhyme. Request it, revisit it. Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel right now. But just can't wait to move. Yo, my boss, what go on? Bijah. You don't know man, them ask for you, done. Yeah.
Bijah know who, man.
Bijah know who. So watch out, peeps. I move back and move right now. You get to me, I say? My gone.
Watch out.
Alright, first thing I want you to do, just give me a name.
Trisha.
You Mason.
Eh?
You Mason.
Shakira.
Yo, me have too much names still in a dog. But I will want people them see my face still, because them ask me long time.
Ah. Yeah, man.
You don't know legendary up on Instagram, legendary music _official. Man grow east, west, north and south. Man grow all but my life is no easy. No easy. It'll drop soon, as just look out for your video. Martin.
Taira.
Marky.
Kayla. I want to big up SNR Fashion, located 78 Spanish Town Bus Terminus, right behind a tea estate. We sell man clothes, we have pants, jersey, t-shirts, shoes, and all kind of stuff. Just come check with.
Them have everything.
Yeah. Shania Green.
Shimon.
Jordan.
Yeah. Anyway you want to find me, upper Simplicity up there, sir. Up at the barber shop.
Yeah.
We're multi-talented, that's what I say.
Anyway, my co-worker is very ugly. And me talk this on YouTube.
Yeah.
She named Lucky British and she's very ugly. And she have a young boy. She having sex with a young boy. Young boy. And she's very old. You serious?
No, I can't know. I don't know. I live for the world.
My name is Apache Kid Whirland, Alien, Flatty Mokiti, Raw Bag Suit, Manica, Super Vegalistic, SPL, Docious, Con to 5 Spin Shell, Gun Face, Yellow Belly, Side Wide In, Con Picking, Polka, Junior Sir. And that is my first name.
So why your last name? Your last name, man? The last name, man?
Yeah, man.
You don't want to know. You have 6 eggs, right? You break 2, you fry 2, and you eat 2. How much egg left?
None left. Two.
2.
Eh?
2.
2?
Yeah.
6 eggs, break 2, fry 2, eat 2.
Yeah. How much left?
Break 2, fry 2, eat 2.
2. 2. Sure. Oh, you get 2.
Can you eat 2? Yeah.
How much left?
Not 2 left?
None.
Oh,
You
come.
have 6 eggs. You fry 2. You eat 2.
Yeah, broke 2.
And you broke 2.
Yeah.
So none left.
None.
None.
You sure?
Yeah, because you fry 2.
Yeah.
You eat 2. And you broke up 2. Even when you broke up not good. So you find out, so none egg no left.
Repeat.
6 eggs, you break 2, you fry 2, you eat 2.
None.
Sure.
You break 2.
You have 6 eggs. You break 2, you fry 2, and you eat 2. How much egg left?
4.
Sure.
Yeah.
How you get 4?
Because I only eat 2 and I crack 2 and what did the other 2 again? I fried 2, but not eat.
You get that one there, You have 6 eggs.
Yes.
You fry 2.
Yes.
No, you broke 2.
Yes.
You fry 2.
Yes.
And you eat 2.
Yes.
How much egg left?
Yes. None egg no left. Everything done. You see me? Cause watch I know. I broke 2. Yes. You see me? So them the gone in our waist. Watch this. I fry 2. Yes. So them the gone in my pot. You get me? So to the full 800 and you know the next 2 gone.
No!
4. What you say about that?
A 4, man.
4. Oh, you get 4.
Cause you break 2, you fry 2 and eat 2, so you want to break and eat
4.
4, I'm saying. 4.
4 left.
Eh?
4 left.
I swear, none left. Everything empty. Everything done. Zero egg left in that chair now.
You're wrong, you know.
True?
You know why you're wrong?
Yes.
4 egg left.
Yes.
Because you broke 2.
Yes.
The same 2 you broke?
Yes.
The same 2 you fry?
Yes.
The same 2 you fry?
Yes.
Or the same 2 you eat?
Yes.
What start with E and end with E and has 1 letter in it?
Start with E and end with E. I. E. No other way for answer. E.
E.
Yeah.
What start with E and end with egg?
Eh?
Egg.
E and end with E, 1 letter in it. No, that can't work, brother.
What start with E and end with E and has 1 letter in it?
Eva.
Oh, chest. I can't breathe. E, me know.
E.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, man. E end with E.
No, God! Start with E and end with E and has 1 letter in it.
E.
So I'm gonna get the answer then. Envelope, man.
Oh, envelope.
I start with E and end with E and has 1 letter in it. I.
I have 1 letter in it. What start with E, end with E, and have 1 letter in it. Right now, I swear, I never did get ready for that, so never pass.
I. Start with E and end with E and have 1 letter.
I, man. I.
What start with E and end with E and has 1 letter in it?
4 leg.
Oh, chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit, my chest is going.
How can a pocket, how can a pants pocket be empty, right?
Yeah.
But still have something in it?
Or it can empty but still have something in it.
That's one tricky. It. Only thing the pants pocket can't have it with empty, I just the thread was sweat.
You have space tonight.
Eh?
You have a space tonight.
Space, what you mean, like space?
Yeah, you have space to contain something inside there.
Well, if I have money in my pocket, I can't empty. If I have money in my pocket, so I'm empty.
How can my pants pocket be empty and still have something? The cloth in my pants pocket, man. See, they put my pants here, I'm not knowing that, but they put on the pants.
For empty and still have something.
Yeah.
You know empty.
Eh?
You know empty, but you still have a pocket.
Still have a pocket.
How can a pants pocket be empty and still have something in it? Then you're too hard. Because they dip on the jeans, like they dip on the pants. No. You dip on the pants, so in naga empty.
Oh, my J.
Brother, I don't know that. You have stressed me right now.
You don't know that? Eat a try, man.
Be empty and still have something in it.
Yeah.
I must be glad.
How can a pants pocket be empty but still have something in it?
Money.
Eh?
Free live.
Jesus Christ now. How can a pants pocket be empty, right? But still have something in it?
How can a pants pocket be empty and still have something in it? How go on? Boy, them questions are tricky. I swear. But if my pants pocket empty and have something in it, I must the pocket. You see me? In it. Because I push my hand down in my pocket. My pocket can't hang on bottom. But it have a bottom in it. You see me?
I must your pocket.
I must my pocket in it. You see me?
In your pocket.
In my pocket. You see me? You don't know. Because if your pocket goes a bomb, empty, and something in it, I must the material in your pocket. I see. Check the level. Right. Wrong or right?
You're wrong, you know.
So?
Let me give you the answer, you know.
Yeah.
Now, old man.
Hole.
Because when you're old in your pocket, you say a hole in your pocket.
No, but no hole in my pocket, because my pocket have. You get me? Yeah. Check the level. I show my hand like so my pocket stuck. See that my hand can't go through. Check the level now. I show my foot. Show my foot. Show my foot. Show my pants. You see it, my foot go through. That is a hole. So when I check the level now, I show my hand and my foot in my pocket. It stop right in my pocket. So on my pocket in a hole.
Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel, and that was the end of episode 24. And you don't know, so revisit Spanish Town. So you want to know if you do like, share, and also subscribe. When you subscribe, just click the bell beside of the subscribe. Right on the right hand side, click the bell. So when the video go up, you get it instant, and you can't say when you get it late. You see me? So you don't know your boy Jnel. Follow me on Instagram, Jnel official _1. It got the right answer. Jnel official _1. Follow Buhn too, because you don't know him have video the whole. Yeah. BUHN _reaction. That's Buhn _reaction. You don't know your boy Jnel. And I'm out.
Dance him Tolomolo. Right now, it a go to the world. But me have a next new dancer come lock down the place soon.
What's that name?
You see that one here near hip hop.
Hip hop.
Everybody have to catch a dancer soon.
Yeah.
Listen what I go on. Dancing can't done, and it make we have fun. Hey, dancing can't done. Spanish Town a dancing morning come. Brand new dance, what it run the block. Make you feel comfortable and feel so relaxed. My grandfather in the house and a rock pa. Hip hop. Them know say that tune ya fit for the track them a hip hop. Them know say that tune ya go lock down the block. Bogle pass and gone, but dancing can't stop. In a me vision, me say Bogle hip hop him say alley hype. Stay up on the spot.